Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10. Hey guys, today I'm just contacting everybody and letting y'all know a little update. We are still planning on getting the truck done. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it done before the deadline for the No Name Nationals. I had a little bit of an issue last week in which I thought that I had just caused a flare-up of a hernia that I'm dealing with right now. And it turned out I was put in the hospital last Saturday and then transferred to another hospital for an emergency appendectomy because evidently my appendix shit the bed. So needless to say, I was out of pocket last week. I missed a couple of you guys' lives that I normally attend and participate in, and I apologize for that. They're saying the recovery is probably going to be a week to 2 weeks generally, but with it being an emergency appendectomy and it was flared up pretty bad, they did an extra hole, went a little bigger to get my inflamed appendix out. So they're saying generally we're looking at 14 to 16 days. I go back and revisit the NIM and we'll go from there. Originally they thought they would go ahead and tag team and do the appendix and repair the hernia since they were already going to be in there. But due to some infection that was going on inside of me that I had no clue about, they opted not to do the hernia repair because they didn't want to take a chance of spreading the infection to another portion of my body. So needless to say, I'm sidelined. Won't be putting videos out for a few weeks. Can't pick up anything more than 10 pounds for a while. I am recuperating. Got out of the hospital, I believe I was admitted Saturday. I got out late Monday. Was finally able to eat and hold food down Monday evening. And so just going through the regular recovery and stuff like that, dealing with some pain still. So if you haven't seen any videos lately, that's where I'm at. I'm still going to try to do something on this truck, but taking a 2 to 3 week hit with no progress is pretty much putting me behind the 8 ball pretty bad. So it's not looking good, but we'll see what we can do. So I'll catch you guys later, and y'all keep keeping on. Thanks.